Welcome to your YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. In your channel, there are videos related to the subjects like English grammar, general knowledge, mathematics, social science and science. So today we will see the video related to the subject social science. In that, today's topic is road transport. So this all are the road transport. A road is a thoroughfare, route or way on land between two places that has been paved or otherwise improved to allow travel by foot or some form of convenience, including a motor vehicle, cart, bicycle or horse. What is the importance of roadways? Roadways are innumerously important to all countries. Without roadways, farmers can't get their produce to market. Factories can't transport goods to retail outlets, and people can't get goods from one point to another without a lot of difficulty. Countries or regions without adequate roadways cannot function. Roads plays a very important role in the transportation of goods and passengers for short and medium distances. It is comparatively easy and cheap to construct and maintain road. Road transport system establishes easy contact between farm, field, factories and markets and provides door-to-door service. Roads can negotiate high gradients and sharp turns which railways cannot do. As such, roads can be constructed in hilly areas also. Roads act as great feeders to railways. Without goods and sufficient road, railways cannot collect sufficient produce to make their operation possible. Road transport is more flexible than the railway transport. Buses and trucks may be stopped anywhere at any time on the road for loading and unloading passengers and goods, whereas trains stop only at particular station. Perishable commodities like vegetable, fruits and milk are transported more easily and quickly by roads than by railways. Now let's see some advantages of road transport. Less capital outlay. Road transport required much less capital investment as compared to other modes of transport such as railway and air transport. The cost of constructing, operating and maintaining road is cheaper than that of the railway. Roads are generally constructed by the government and local authorities and only a small revenue is charged for the use of roads. Door-to-door service. The outstanding advantage of road transport is that it provides door-to-door or warehouse-to-warehouse service. This reduces cartage, loading and unloading expenses. Service in rural areas. Road transport is more suited for carrying goods and people to and from rural areas which are not served by rail, water or air transport. Exchange of goods between large towns and small villages is made possible only through road transport. Flexible service. Road transport has a great advantage over other modes of transport for its flexible service. Its routes and timings can be adjusted and changed to individual requirements without much inconvenience. Suitable for short distance. It is more economic and quicker for carrying goods and people over short distances. Delays in transit of goods on account of intermediate loading and handling are avoided. Goods can be loaded direct into a road vehicle and transported straight to the place of destination. Lesser risk of damage in transit. As the intermediate loading and handling is avoided, there is lesser risk of damage, breakage, etc. of the goods in transit. Thus, road transport is more suited for transporting delicate goods like chinaware and glassware, which are likely to be damaged in the process of loading and unloading. Saving in packing cost. As compared to other modes of transport, the process of packing in motor transport is less complicated. Goods transported by motor transport requires less packing or no packing in several cases. Rapid speed. If the goods are to be sent immediately or quickly, motor transport is more suited than the railway or water transport. Water transport is very slow. Also, much time is wasted in booking the goods and taking delivery of the goods in case of the railway and water transport. Less cost. Road transport not only requires less essential capital investment, the cost of operation and maintenance is also comparatively less. Even if the rate charged by the motor transport is a little higher than that of the railways, the actual effective cost of transporting goods by motor transport is less. The actual cost is less because the motor transport saves in packing cost and the expenses of immediate loading, unloading, and handling charges. Private owned vehicles. Another advantage of road transport is that big businessmen can afford to have their own motor vehicles and initiate their own road services to market their products without causing any delay. Feeder to other modes of transport. The movement of goods being and ultimately ends by making use of roads. Road and motor transport act as a feeder to the other modes of transport such as railway, ship, and airways. Now, after the advantages, let's see some disadvantages of road transport. So, seasonal nature. Motor transport is not as reliable as rail transport. During rainy or flood season, roads become unfit and unsafe for use. Accident and breakdowns. There are more chances of accidents and breakdowns in case of motor transport. Thus, motor transport is not as safe as rail transport. Unsuitable for long distance and bulky traffic. This mode of transport is unsuitable and costly for transporting cheap and bulky goods over long distances. Slow speed. The speed of motor transport is comparatively slow and limited. Lack of organization. The good road transport is comparatively less organized. More often it is irregular and undependable. The rates charged for transportation are also unstable and unequal. So this was all about road transport, roadway, advantages of roadway and disadvantages of roadway. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in the comment section if you have any, or you can also drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. We will surely reply back to your comment. If you want videos related to any particular topic or subject, then feel free to suggest us. You can also follow the channel School Studies on Facebook page, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter. I hope you liked my videos. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.